If you're ready, say I'm ready.
I'm ready.
If it's time for phonics, you say phonics time.
Phonics time!
Okay, here we go. Hello everyone and welcome to another fun phonics lesson. Are you ready to learn too? Okay, let's do it.
L.
That's right, it's the letter L. Look, Junya, here's an uppercase L and a lowercase L. Do you know what L sounds like?
E.
Perfect, that's right. We put our tongue all the way to the top of our mouth and we say L. Perfect. One more time. Ready, go. L. I'll do my best to write out the letter. You do your best to sound out the letter, okay? I write, you sound. Here we go. An uppercase L says L. And a lowercase L also says L. Well done. Bum bum bum. Junya, show us how to write the letter L and you, everyone, follow along, okay? Ooh, nice.
Snake but in a sharp turn.
Like a snake but in a sharp turn. Junya, can you write the letter L all by yourself?
Yes.
L says L.
L says L.
Perfect. Well done.
Listen to the L saying ooh. Listen to the L saying ooh. Every letter that you see, you can sing along with me. Listen to the L saying ooh.
Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much for learning about the letter L. Remember, L says L. See you next time. Bye.